Hello, my name is Aishman Singh. I'm currently working on a project named Brain AI, the autonomous multi-agent assembly line. So basically, what it does, it automates the whole SDLC, software development life cycle. So there is like 4 agents: architect, coder, tester, DevOps. And there's also repair. For example, coder gives code to tester. Um, the code doesn't compile properly, it goes back to the coder. Basically, it is in a while loop where it gets, like this thing gets performed again and again until the code is resolved and compiles correctly. Of course, there's a human in the loop function. For example, if same type of code again and again, like causing an error, like it gets stuck in at one place, then for saving token, for making it more efficient, there's a human in the loop function where you can come and solve the issue for the brain, for this app. It used to have Oracle XCSS database. Now it uses H2. Now let's do not waste our time and make something. Like, let's start with something easy. Make a snake game. SNAKEGAME. It has started. The architect analyzing task. First, it will go to the architect agent, and it will like basically gives you option like what you want in your system. So here are option: lightweight. Let's make feature rich modem, neon dark blue. Neon dark blue. Let's make it in. Let's just send and continue. Now the architect has planned everything, like how the game is going to make. This is like file path or file structure. GUI framework, Java Swing. Let me tell you one thing, like the default GUI framework will be Java Swing, and the default language will be Java, because like lot of stuff is also hard coded in this, and I'm a Java developer, so I use Java a lot. I will not say I'm a Java developer. I use multiple languages. I use Java, mainly I use Java for my projects. So you can see, so a lot of things are hard coded, and a lot of things, I mean, lot of function, like if this happens, do this. You can do this in Java. You can do this in DevOps for converting it to a jar file, converting it to a exe file. But a lot of all the things like this, like code and everything is generated by the agentic AI. So okay, so the repair function didn't came because it was able to build the exe file at the first try, and now it's generating a readme, like how you can use the game. So it does everything from making documentation to from writing the architect to making documentation. Everything is done by this. Copy. It was able to make it. You can see. And none of the code was written by me. Like, it was able to make this game in few minutes. Let's die now. Okay, game over. Find space. If you find space. Now let's make something a little bit more difficult. Let's make a text editor. Let's make a scientific calculator first. Again, all the process will modern dark age, classic, Windows system look no. Expressions button, modern dark mode, expression string passing. It given modern dark mode 2 times. Send to paint. Entire pipeline is completed. Oh god. This is Q error. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Bad UI. Let's make something. For example, let's make a photo editor. Option 1, feature rich. Add as many can from cropping to grayscale. Also I also wrote some suggestions this time. So these are the files it created. You can see there are a lot of uh, it writes a lot of comments, as many comments it can, because it really helps him to, like, when it goes into repair. For example, if the tester finds something like, like some errors, and it gives back to the coder, it really helps both tester and coder to rewrite itself. Okay, so it was able to build itself in the first attempt. It's doing pretty good. Generating a readme. I don't know why I just closed this folder. Desktop. Gallery. Hang. Hmm. What the hell, dude? Uh, Libraries, pictures, screenshot. Let's use one. This one is already in black. Not a valid image. Libraries, pictures. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Grayscale, invert. So we can use Control plus Z to go back to the, like, undo. Adjust brightness. So it was able to make a blur, sharpen. Oh no, 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 it's keep working. Let's make one more thing. Let's make our code editor. Add as many features you can. You can have syntax highlighting. Have file management. Let's give it to him. I mean, you must have gotten an idea like how it works. It's fun to make things on this, to be true to you. Okay, so here's the file structure. Here's the global UI start application on f dash. I'm actually trying, like, it writes some wrong code and it's going to repair. I mean, it's went on repair, but like there's also human in the loop function where you have to solve the things. Okay, so here's our first problem. Okay, so it was able to solve all of those issues. Let's see what it has created. Why I'm opening this? Open. Let's go to advanced Java. Or like there's no file in it. Open. So okay, there is syntax highlighting in this. You can see. Printed as student. Okay, so there is no undo. There's no shortcut keys. And semicolon. Thank you for watching this video.